And we are in front of this new Dreamer 43, and we shall be looking the starting price of 69,200 with a tunnel price of 8,400 for this actual model. And we shall be entering inside, firstly checking out this great design for actual cabinets. One folds like that and one completely goes out. Entering inside, we see some great upholstery on top of the standard layout, the Fiat Ducato standard chassis automatic. Big skylight, so you get a wide view with this greatly designed touch. And on this part we have two smaller but deep cabinets for your belongings, and this greatly new design covering the actual frame of the window. And on this part we are seeing probably a good sitting area with actual table pushed forward. And well, if I'd be honest, when sitting, this feels pretty comfortable. Well, will not have so much legroom, but well, smaller family, not a problem. Well, moving on from this side, we have the actual sink, two burner stove, and well, one cabinet that's actually small, and two Bieber cabinets for your belongings. We have a Frigo of almost 100 liters. That's actually pretty good, but I don't like this lower placement. Well, they made it like that. Then opening up, we have another cabinet, with another cabinet being right here. This is great. And then from this side, we have the actual bathroom unit. Not bad at all. And just like other models, you can swivel this part and take a shower, no problems. And then also wash your hands, teeth, and actually do your stuff on the Thetford cassette toilet. We have a window and additional storage unit right up here. On the back we will find three pretty deep cabinets and two cabinets on this part right here. Well, pretty good design, but the actual bed, it's not so large, measuring from end to end about 1.3 from this side and about 1.1 on this side, but you will put your head on that part. And then if we exit, we can check the back side of this Dreamer van. Well, it's closed, but it's not a big boot space in that small compartment. There you have it, the Dreamer D43 up for the 2026.